So, very good morning, dear children. Today we are beginning our online session. So, the first lesson from the Bihar textbook of 9th standard is The Fun They Had. Actually, this story, The Fun They Had, is a set in a futuristic scenario of 150 years ahead. So, Miss will read the lesson and you can follow me. Okay. I'm reading from page number 5. Just you can read with me. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So here, when we begin the lesson, we can see a 11-year-old girl, Margie, she is writing a diary. The date is very important. It is headed 17th May 2157. Now we are living in 2021. But the date in the diary is 2157. Okay, so Margie is writing about her brother found a book. That is a real book. What book you are using nowadays, that is a real book. So 2157, a girl, 11 years old girl is getting a real book. Okay, and she is writing, today my brother Tommy found a real book. And what are the features of the real book? That was an old book. That book was an old book. And Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margie's grandfather's grandfather told her that time, the grandfather's time, all the things, all the stories were printed on paper. So they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. So the pages in the book were crinkly. Crinkly meaning with many fold or lines. So if you are opening your books, you can see that the pages are crinkly and fold lines. Okay, the same way. So here, Guy said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. And here what happened here? So in olden time, there were telebooks in which the words used to move across the screen. So in telebooks, so the words could move in the screen, in the computer screen, we can scroll. Okay, the same way in telebooks, the words could move across the screen and teachers were mechanical robots. So in the future, what will happen? The robotic teachers will be taking classes. They will be mechanical teachers. The school was but an adjacent room in the house. So no need to go to a building just like school. The robotic teacher will take in the room in the same house where the student used to sit with the mechanical teacher, reading instructions on the screen and giving answers. It was a very boring process as there was no interaction between the teacher and the students. Nowadays we are having interaction between teacher and student. Even in online classes we have the interaction, but in future after 150 years after, what will happen? Robotic teacher will be taking classes and there won't be any attachment, no emotion and no interaction. Okay, so that is in this lesson. So Margie was scornful. So Margie is scornful. So Tommy is telling about school. Then she is asking, school, what's there to write about school? I hate school. Actually, Margie is a teenager and she is hating school. There are reasons for her hatred. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So here Margie is hating schools because she becomes worse and worse in geography. If a subject just like mathematics is difficult for you, what will happen? You will start hating the subject. Okay, if you're not getting, you're trying hard and not getting marks, sometimes you may hate the subject. Okay, so here the same way Margie is hating geography because she is not getting any mark, and she has to attend all the time homework, and all the time she is getting many project. So here, and what is happening when children are having the same feeling, mothers also suffer. So here Margie's mother also suffers, and she is calling a county inspector. Who is county inspector? County inspector means for arranging the robot. So mummy is suspecting something happened to the robot, the robotic teacher, for she is calling county inspector. So who is county inspector? What are the features of county inspector? We can see. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. So county inspector came with boxes and dials and wires, and he is giving an apple to Margie. Then took the teacher apart, and he is taking the machine, a robot, apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. So Margie, just like all other children, she is desiring, okay, he cannot do very easily and he cannot do anything there. But he knew how to all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown. And the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. So, which part of the robot and the mechanical machine Margie hated? Margie hated the slot in the machine, the machine that she is doing and learning everything, that the robot, with the help of robot she is learning. She hated most the slot that they have to put the homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. The mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Just like how in after 150 years after, what will happen? Students have to do everything with a punch code. So nowadays teachers are conducting test in a paper. Okay, we are sending you the question paper, you are writing answers and sending us. Okay, and note that method, they have to follow a punch code for the PSC examination or for the entrance examination. The papers are evaluating through a punch code. There is a code for it. Okay, for the bank exams. So here the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level." So actually what was happening? Margie is an 11 years old girl, and the machine is set for the higher classes. So she couldn't follow. County inspector came and he is setting the machine to the level of average 10-year level. So it will be easy for her to follow. And he told now everything is okay, and patting Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. So Margie is desiring the county inspector should take the machine away so she can enjoy the days. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school. So here we can see Tommy and Margie is having a discussion, and Tommy is telling about school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, loftily meaning in a superior way, and pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Okay, so nowadays what we are enjoying, we are experiencing the things about that. Here our Margie and Tommy speaking. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." So now you have to read the textbook twice. After reading the lesson properly, you have to find out the answers for 5 questions which I have already given here. So the first question is, what do you mean by aerial book? You have to find out the meaning of aerial book. So the second question, why were the pages of the book yellow? So why were the pages of the book yellow? Did Margie see a book for the first time? So you have to find out your answer. And what did Margie's grandfather tell her? What did Margie's grandfather tell her? The last question for you. Why did Tommy call Margie stupid? Tommy is calling Margie stupid. What is the reason that you have to find out? And write the answer in your notebook and send me the image. So thank you. Thank you, dear children. Bye.